Hi, now Dr.NaVaiD here to let you know if and how to auscultate the chest. That's me, of course, as you can see. NaVaiD, although my eyes patient, but it's always good to know. And auscultate the heart in the precordium area, and this precordium area lies here in the chest. This webcam just goes wild. Get the angulation set here. So this is the apex beat here. You can feel if there's very hard thumping, like after exercise, a physiological murmur or physiological apex beat. This is the area, but the other hard sounds here as well, here as well, here as well, and here. Basically S1 and S2 locked up like that. Love because the whole ventricle, especially right and left atrium and right and left ventricle. The human heart is 4-chambered, but as the left ventricle has the most pumping force, thickest muscle to pump, and as the cardiac output, heart rate, and that has apex beat. One here, the rumbling of the blood flow, that is S1, and on after systole, contraction of the heart, and after diastole, dilatation of the heart, the blood goes and slightly reverses back, partially gets braided along the aortic and pulmonary valve goes again. That throbbing is also called S2. So this is how it is. This is, of course, the stethoscope here. This is the stethoscope. This is the way it goes. You can also feel the heart, and after heart, the lungs. This is the right lung here, upper zone, middle zone, and basal zone. This is again the right side, upper, middle, and basal. Of course, here is the diaphragm, and beneath this abdomen, the thorax area, and this area of thorax in front of the eye is the precordium. This is it. This aortic valve. This on the left chamber covering the mitral valve between the left atrium and left you can say ventricle, and the aortic valve just the start of the ascending aorta, and the right system of the heart having impure blood, the left pure blood that pumps to the stomach circulation, and the right side getting pure blood from the body. First it goes into the right atrium through superior vena cava, inferior vena cava, and from there on via the tricuspid valve goes into the right ventricle, and from the right ventricle the blood flows and goes to the pulmonary trunk, single pulmonary trunk or artery, pulmonary trunk, and goes, and pure blood goes into the pulmonary parenchyma, that is breaks up into very many pulmonary arterioles to get purified blood with oxygen, and from both the lungs it goes into being collected by the pure blood is being collected by the pulmonary venules to the 4 pulmonary veins, that with these veins carry pure blood from the lungs to pulmonary oxygen circulation to pulmonary parenchyma along the walls of the alveolar septa, and from there it goes from left atrium to right to left ventricle via the mitral valve. The tricuspid is 3, mitral valve is 2, anterior and posterior cusp, and from the left ventricle the pure blood flows into the body through the aorta, and that's how the 4-chambered human heart receives impure blood to get send it for purification, and right chamber and the left chamber of the pure blood to distribute to the stomach circulation. This is how it is. So those who are non-smokers and have healthy lungs, they are at much advantage. I am a non-smoker, non-alcoholic, so that's great. And know why. So a natural style that the blood flows, and I get, like any normal human being, get the whole body pure blood via superior and vena cava goes into the right atrium, and from there on to the tricuspid to the right ventricle, from the right ventricle pumped via pulmonary trunk, the impure blood to the lungs, pulmonary circulation and oxygenation purification. From there on via the pulmonary veins, the pure blood comes into the upper left chamber, or known as the left atrium. From the left it flows to the bicuspid valve in the left ventricle, and from the main left ventricle, which gave the resultant force of the apex beat, heart of summation of the heartbeats, or apex beat, here between the left intercostal space here, just inferior major to the left nipple. So this actually ventricle, it flows into the stemicinium via the ascending on the arch of aorta and descending thoracic aorta and via the aortic hiatus through the diaphragm into the continuing at the abdominal, the chest, that is so important. So this is how